Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the category wise and branch wise cutoff for home state as well as other state for NIT Rourkela. It is one of the best NIT of India. It has a highest package of 47 lakh per year, and here I will discuss about its fee structure, average package, highest package, ESTD and the campus. So watch this video till the end to get all this information about NIT Rourkela completely, and if you have any doubt do ask in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Here you will get all you need to know about a particular college, exam, college review, exam pattern and many more. So for many such video on IIT, Triple IT, NIT, GFTI, check the I button as well as the description box. So let us start the today's video. NIT Rourkela. It is the second number NIT after NIT Trichy among all the NIT of India. The NRF rank of this college is 32 and the college was established in 2007, and the campus is very big for this college, that is 647-acre campus, and the fee is 1.6 lakh per year. The average package is 8 lakh per year and the highest is 47 lakh per year. So that is the overview of this college. Now we will talk about the category wise and branch wise cutoff for this college. So now let's talk about the cutoff. NIT Rourkela. For B architecture, the general category other state cutoff goes to 1900, for home state 2900, OBC other state 1000, home state 1272, for SC other state 291, home state 876, for AWS other state there is no seat reserved for AWS category in this branch. For computer science and engineering, the general category cutoff for other state goes to 4100, home state cutoff goes to 10,000, OBC other state 1100, home state 4400, SC other state 512 and home state 2545. For AWS other state 482, home state 1551. Now talk about the AC branch. The general category cutoff for other state goes to 5600, for home state 12,500, and for other state OBC 1700, home state 5700, SC other state 1000, home state 2800. There is no seat reserved for AWS in this branch. Now talk about the electrical engineering. The general category cutoff goes to 10,000 almost for other state, and for home state it is 21,000, and for OBC other state 3400, home state 10,500, for SC other state 1400, and for home state 5300. AWS other state 1100, home state 2800. Now for mechanical engineering, the general category cutoff for other state goes to 12,000 almost, and for home state it is 21,400. For OBC other state 3,591, for home state 9,757. Now for SC category other state cutoff is 1,655, and for home state it is 4,700. For AWS other state 1,425, for home state 3,100. Now talk about the electronics and instrumentation engineering. The general category cutoff for other state goes to 12,000, and for home state it is 22,800. For OBC other state 4,200. For home state 11,500. For SC other state 2,700. For home state 4,300. And there is no seat reserved for EWS category in this branch. Now talk about the civil engineering branch. The general category cutoff for other state goes to almost 18,000, and for home state it is 27,400. For OBC other state 5,500. For home state 16,000. For SC other state the cutoff is 2,600, and for home state it is 5,300. For EWS there is no seat reserved in other state, and for home state the cutoff is 4,100. Now talk about the chemical engineering. The other state general category cutoff goes to 18,000, home state 30,000, OBC other state 6,100, home state 16,000, SC other state 3,700, home state 5,700, and EWS other state 26. That means here also there is no seat reserved for EWS in this branch. Now talk about the metallurgical and material engineering. The cutoff for other state general category goes to 2,400, and for home state it is 3,270 For OBC the other state cutoff is 8,500, and for home state it is 18,000. For SC other state 4,100, and home state it is 6,400, and there is no seat reserved in this branch for EWS category.